Previous night I take 1 glass water and add 1 teaspoon cumin seed in it. Keep it aside for overnight. The very next day morning, take the same jeera water and boil it well. This is a healthy morning drink to have it first in this meal plan. Cumin water or jeeraga vellam in Malayalam improve digestion and help your digestive system work smoothly and flushing out the toxins from your body. For breakfast, I choose overnight oats. It's very healthy and easy to make. Keep you full and satisfied for hours. For this, we have to do little prep before go to bed. Add half cup milk for 1 cup oats. Next, quarter cup yogurt. Yogurt it makes the oats extra creamy. Also help break down the starches with equal more nutrition. Adding 1 tablespoon chia seed, it changes the oats texture like pudding. For sweetness, add 1 teaspoon honey. Stir everything well and make sure all the ingredients are combined. Cover with a tiny plate and put it into fridge to soak overnight. Next morning, the delicious breakfast is ready to eat. I prefer this overnight oats cold, but you can definitely heat them up in the microwave for 30 seconds. Adding different topping like fruits and nuts as your wish. Here I choose 1 bowl papaya for midday snack. It almost 140 calories. Papaya is one of the low calorie fruit contain range of nutrients such as antioxidants and potassium. Women who suffer from severe cramps should eat papaya regularly. It's one of the main papaya benefit. Papaya contain enzymes called papain which helps smooth blood flow in menstrual cycle and papaya is high in fiber and low in sugar. Next, I prepare a quick healthy meal for lunch. Add half cup dal in curry pot. Add required amount of water. Add some sliced onion and half tomato and green chili. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Cover it and cook for 10 to 50 minutes. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Pour 1 tablespoon oil in a small pan, half teaspoon mustard, add chopped curry leaves and shallots, red chilies. Pour the tempering to hot dal curry. Close it and wait for few minutes. Then mix all together. Next I make broccoli egg stir fry. Here are the ingredients: broccoli, 1 egg, 1 carrot, 1 onion and green chili. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. When the oil is hot, add some mustards. Add chopped onion and green chili, required amount of salt. Sort it well. After some time add 1 egg. Add little more salt and pepper for egg and stir it well. Then add chopped broccoli and chopped carrot. Last add some grated coconut, it's optional. Simple and healthy lunch is ready to eat now. Dieting without exercise can slow your metabolism. Diet and exercise are important for optimal health. Eating smart and being active have similar effect on our health. For dinner, here I choose 2 full corn. Including sweet corn in your everyday diet can improve your gut health, and it's good for your eyes, skin, hair, cardiovascular system, digestive health. It's also good for immune system. Wash the corn and keep it for steam. After 10 minutes, check out the steamer and take it out. This is my favorite chili paste while eating corn. Take 1 teaspoon red chili powder, add required amount of salt, add some lemon juice, mix all together well and make it as a paste consistency. Corn is a high fiber source of antioxidant and health benefits are much higher than other food. Adding one boiled egg with my dinner. This simple meal feels full overnight. Try to have dinner as much earlier time before 8 p.m. Next I gonna prepare turmeric milk. Add 1 glass of milk and half cup water. Boil the milk well. Add some pieces of ginger, half teaspoon turmeric, and half teaspoon cinnamon, little amount of pepper, that is optional. Drinking warm turmeric milk before bedtime can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Add little honey gives natural sweetness. Thanks for watching this video. Reply your comments. Meet you soon with another video. Bye.